Hey everybody, it's Ella, and I recently got something which I'm very excited about. If you guys follow me on Snapchat or anything like that, then you guys do know Wednesday was my birthday, and I actually got a phone. My background's kind of creepy. It's sorry you can't really see. It's a weird baby face. You can only see it like when it's starting to turn off. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it's just really weird, but it's still pretty nice. It's the iPhone 8. So, if you guys read by the title, I'm gonna be doing another slime. I know you guys are trying to getting tired of this, but I am not. So I'm sorry in advance. This is really, it gets dried up. So, you guys seen all these slimes, but still, some of them are actually gonna be new. My brother has some. This is only some of them. Like, I have a few containers filled with slime. So, there's this one. It's kind of like glossy slime. Not really, but still pretty good. There's beads in it too. Ooh. This is another one. It's also pretty good. Pretty stretchy. More beads too. I'll try to make a squirrel, but it doesn't really go out that well. No. Okay, that does not look like a squirrel at all. They're gonna kill it. My next one, you guys have probably seen in my last video. A few videos ago. You guys remember when this used to be like really bad? Well, I fixed it. So, now it's better. So, yeah. Yeah, you can't really make bubbles with it. Well, kinda. It's pretty small. So, yeah. Then, this is a new one. It's actually butter slime. Pretty stretchy. So, yeah. It's kind of messy. Oh, I have glitter in that slime. It's like a big chunk of glitter. So, it's pretty good. Yeah. And then you guys all, if you guys follow me on like all kinds of social medias, then you know what this is. Or if you watch my videos, and yeah, you can know what it is. It's the gallon slime. Let me just take it out. If I can. Out. Okay. So here she is. And I'll try to make a bubble. Not that bad, but also not that good. No, you didn't even see that one because it was too small. Okay, let me try it again. Whoops. Yeah, that didn't work out that well. Oh, okay. well, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for everybody that follows me on Snapchat and all kinds of other social medias. I hope you guys have a good day. Yeah.